I'm going to show you an exercise that works your core, your abs, and your shoulders. All you're going to need is a ball just like this one. It's also really good for rehab if you've had any shoulder injuries to make your shoulders stronger. So all you're going to need is one of these, and you want to make sure it's not overfilled. You want to make sure there's some give to it so it's easier to stabilize and stay on it. So you ready? Let's get going. Oh, and I'm also going to show you a couple extras to make it more challenging and to get your shoulders and your abs even stronger. These are called ball walkouts. Just take your ball, get on the ground, and lean over the ball, straighten out those legs, and you're just gonna walk it out. So I don't have enough room right here, so I'm just going to push it out completely, and then I'm just gonna walk it right back. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to slide your hands. That's cheating. You want to lift your hand up and land softly. And then take a little breather right here and then go again. So we're going to roll out, straighten the legs, and then when you're here, if your shoulders, you haven't worked them in a while, people kind of do this thing. You want to be like a cat and just kind of walk it. Squeeze that butt right here. That'll engage your core so your back isn't slouching, it's in the right position. Walk it out. And then, because I don't have enough room, I'm just going to go here. And then you can walk it right back. Now, for an extra ab challenge, you can just go up into a pike like this. And you can also do a tuck. You can do a couple tucks if you like. Or if you want to go extra high on your pike, go on your toes. Now don't rush these. This is super challenging. And then if you fall, just drop that foot right back down and then try it again. And then if you want to get an extra shoulder challenge, do shoulder press on the ground and go back up and then try to keep your balance and walk back. So these ball walkouts, they're very challenging, but they're really good for you. So I learned about these through one of my physical therapists. He had me do these because I injured both my shoulders, and it helped me rehabilitate them and get them stronger. So don't shy away from these. They're tough. So maybe start with 4 and then work up to 10. And after you get through with 10, you can do 3 sets of 10. Now I would do these at the middle or toward the end of your workout. You want to make sure you're stronger. Now what can inhibit you would be tight hamstrings, and I did my leg workout 2 days ago, so my hamstrings are extra tight, so I can't go as high and as into my pike like I would have liked. I would have liked to be more of a V into that pike. But give these a try, especially if you're trying to get your shoulders stronger. Do these twice a week. Have 2 days off in between. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if your goal is weight loss, check out my website, thehigh5diet.com. And there you can check out my diet products and also sign up for my blog where you'll get emailed recipes, videos you've never seen before, and diet tips sent to you twice a week. So I've also picked 2 workouts that I think you would enjoy. One is some extra stretching, and then another one is going to be for the low back. So check those out, and I will see you soon. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and make sure to tap that bell to receive notifications so you won't miss any new videos.